everyone. I am 6 years old. Today I tell a story. Don's Hiccups. Don enters a competition. She will sing on television. Don is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups. Don's mother gives her a scare. Surprise. Don still has hiccups. Put your fingers in your ears. But Don still has hiccups. Suck on a slice of lemon. But Don still has hiccups. A nurse gives Don a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Don's hiccups go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. It's beautiful. The crowd shout and cheers. This is the end. Goodbye.